Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how Open Interface gives you access to the unlimited free AI models all in one place without any subscriptions or any hidden limitations. So first of all, we need to understand what is Open Interference. So it is a new open source platform that lets you use the hundreds of AI models absolutely for free, like from text generation to image generation and from code to the chatbots. You don't need an API key or any kind of credit card. You just visit the website. You just have to choose the model, which is the gamma model or the Mistral model or any other. Then you just have to start typing your prompt and it runs instantly in your web browser. The best part is that it is completely free and unlimited. So there is no paywalls, there is no token caps, and you can even switch between the models to compare the results side by side. It also supports the text, chat, and image generation, and it runs fast because it connects to the community hosted server. That means all of the power of the premium AI tools, but free, open, and ready for anyone to use. So, yes, Open Interference is your all in one free AI hub, giving you unlimited access to the world's top model without any restrictions. So, would you replace paid AI tools with this one? Let me know that in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.